Therefore, many of his disciples, when they heard this, said, "This is a hard saying. Who can understand it?" When Jesus knew in himself that his disciples complained about this, he said to them, "Does this offend you? What then if you should see the Son of Man ascend where he was before? It is the Spirit who gives life. The flesh profits nothing. The words that I speak to you are spirit, and they are life." But there are some of you who do not believe, for Jesus knew from the beginning who they were who did not believe and who would betray him. And he said, "Therefore I have said to you that no one can come to me unless it has been granted to him by my Father." From that time, many of his disciples went back and walked with him no more. Then Jesus said to the 12, "Do you also want to go away?" But Simon Peter answered him, "Lord, to whom shall we go? You have the words of eternal life. And also, we have come to believe and know that you are the Christ, the Son of the living God." Jesus answered them, "Did I not choose you, the 12, and the one of you is a devil?" He spoke of Judas Iscariot, the son of Simon, for it was he who would betray him, being one of the 12. Mahirap unawain ang pahayag ni Jesus dahil literal ang naging pagkaunawa nila sa kanyang salita. Kaya naguguluhan sila at nahirapan sundin ito. Natitisod sila nang sinabi niya na kainin ang laman niya at inumin ang kanyang dugo. Pero ang sagot ni Jesus sa mga nagbubulong-bulungan ng mga Hudyo sa verse 63, "It is the Spirit who gives life, the flesh profits nothing. The words that I speak to you are spirit and they are life." Ang Espiritu Santo ay may akda ng buhay. Ang laman ay walang pakinabang. Matutunan din natin na lubos ang kaalaman ni Kristo sa puso ng mga tao. Alam niya yung hindi sumasampalataya sa Kanya at yung magkanulo sa Kanya. Pero lahat ay tiniis niya. Sabi nga sa Hebrews chapter 12 verse 2, "Who for the glory was set before him endured the cross, despising the shame, and has sat down at the right hand of God." Dahil nga maraming tagasunod niya ay umatras na at ang mga mahirap niyang salita. Tinanong niya sa 12 disipulo niya na kung sila ay aalis din. Ang sumagot si Pedro, "Kanino kami pupunta? Kayo ay may dala ng salita ng buhay na walang hanggang. Kayo si Kristo na anak na buhay na Diyos." Sama wala pa sa Diyos, you may worship God Sunday after Sunday, but your heart may be far away from Him. Sana hingin ninyo ang biyaya niya para maligtas. Si Jesus nakaupo sa trono na mismo nagsabi sa Matthew chapter 7 verse 7, "Ask and it will be given to you. Seek and you will find. Knock and it will be opened to you."